Welcome back to Millionaire's Journey. My name is Mahesh. I understand we are all busy with our day-to-day activities. But take a step back and give it a thought. What is the important thing that we are all possibly missing? It is estate planning, the will and the trust. According to a survey conducted by Senior Living Referral Service Caring.com finds that only 33% of Americans have established their estate plans, and 67% of Americans do not have their estate plan in place. This is a red flag, guys. And this is a big red flag for your family if you have not done it yet. We think we will do it later. We procrastinate, but we never do it. Why? Because we think nothing bad is going to happen to us ever. But that's overconfidence, guys. Your family members are going to pay the price for your mistake. Think about it. Let me explain what estate planning is and its impact if you have not done it yet. Estate planning is documenting your intentions, clearly known how you want your estate to be handled after you pass. Or if you are incapacitated and unable to handle things on your own while you are alive. Now let's see what are all the documents that comes with estate planning. Last will and testament, revocable living trust, financial power of attorney, living will declaration, HIPAA authorization, healthcare surrogate designation, and pet trust. Now let's look at each one of them. Number 1, last will and testament. This is also called will. It is a document that describes how a person's debts are to be paid and assets are to be distributed at his or her death. It also names a guardian for the minor children. It also names an executor or a personal representative to oversee the settlement of the estate. Number 2, revocable living trust. It's also called revocable trust. This trust is often used to avoid probate. This trust directs how your assets are to be distributed and identifies who will manage your estate and care for minor children at the person's death. This revocable trust can be changed or revoked at any time or time to time during the lifetime of a person who set it up. Number 3, financial power of attorney. It is a document which names and authorizes a person to make financial decisions and or transactions on behalf of another person. You can appoint a person to act on behalf of you for your financial affairs. Number 4, healthcare surrogate designation. This is also called healthcare power of attorney. It's a document in which you name a person who can make healthcare decisions for you if the principal person is unable to make the decisions for himself or herself. You can name an individual who can make healthcare decisions on your behalf if you are unable to make them for yourself. Number 5, HIPAA authorization. What is HIPAA? Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, a federal law that protects a person's private medical and mental health information. HIPAA authorization is a document that designates a person who may receive another person's medical and mental health information. Number 6, living will declaration. It's also called advance directive. It is a document that instructs your physicians and loved ones as to your intentions relative to your life support in the event you are permanently unconscious or have a terminal condition. It is all about expressing your wishes related to your life prolonging procedures and treatments. Number 7, animal care or pet trust. In this document, names caregivers who will care for the pets after a person's death and also names a person who will manage the trust. Now that we understand what are all the documents that comes with estate planning, now ask yourself these questions. Is it okay if state decides what happens to your important possessions? Is it okay if state decides who will be the guardian for your minor children? Is it okay if my family cannot access my medical records if needed? Is it okay if my assets are not distributed as per my wish? Is it okay if my life prolonging procedures and treatments are not as per my wish? Is it okay if my financial and legal affairs are in jeopardy if I'm incapacitated? Is it okay if state decides who will care for my pet? Is it okay if my family has to go through the lengthy and expensive probate process to get the assets if something happens to me? If your answer is no to any of these questions and these things bother you, then you need to get your estate planning done right away. No more procrastinating. Who can help you to get your estate planning done? I can help you connecting with an online estate planning solutions provider. Just pick up your phone, call, text or WhatsApp me on my mobile number. Why I recommend this provider? There are few reasons. 1. This solution is designed by nation's top estate planning attorneys. Number 2, they received James Caney Award for Innovative Excellence from American Bar Association. Number 3, they got A+ rating from BBB, Better Business Bureau. And number 4, this package covers both wife and husband. How much does it cost? At this time of recording this video, I see the price of the online estate planning solution is $600, but I can get you at a 50% discounted rate, that is $300. What is the catch? How can I give you 50% discount? There's no magic, guys. They offered 50% discount if we buy in bulk. So we got few in bulk and we got that 50% discount. So we can pass on that 50% discount to you so that you can enjoy lower price. If you think this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel to see more and more family financial planning videos. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you.